Go for it. Heart structures and functions.
Alright, we're going to start out with the right atrium, which receives deoxygenated blood and pumps it into the right ventricle. And then we're going to go into the right ventricle, which is deoxygenated oxygen pumps blood to pulmonary trunk. Now we're going to go to number 7, which is the left atrium, receives oxygenated blood from the pulmonary vein, pumps it to the left ventricle. I'm going to go to number 6, which is right here, which is the left ventricle, pumps O2 blood to the systemic system. I'm going to go into the interventricular septum. What is number 6? Why is there 2 6s?
5.
It's 5. Separates the right and left ventricles. So again, that's the interventricular septum, separates the right and left ventricles. Now we're going to go into the
Sinoatrial node.
Sinoatrial node. Just number 32. It's known as the pacemaker of the heart. Generates cardiac action potentials that control heart rate. Number 36. The AV node, part of the heart conduction system, receives impulses from SA node, delays cardiac action potential conduction, sends impulse to bundle of His, which is going to take us to the bundle of His, which is numbers 46 and 38.
That'd be 48 and 38.
Is that a 46 or 38?
48 and 38.
So 30, yes, 39. Wait, stop the videos.
It's fine. 38?
Yeah, but there's the other one? 46 or 48. I don't know what number you have there.
Okay. And it's right here.
I feel like it will be easier if we videotape it.
Okay, whatever. Just point. I don't know.
Okay. So this is number 38. You guys can see 38. The bundle of His, part of heart conduction system, extends from the AV node through the interventricular septum and then splits into left and right bundle branches. Goes into the Purkinje fibers, which is number 39, which is right here. The Purkinje fibers are part of the heart conduction system, receives impulses from left and right bundle branches, helps to rapidly spread action potential throughout the ventricles. Now the AV valve, the tricuspid valve, which is number 35, which is right here. This is number 35. It regulates blood from right atria to right ventricle. The bicuspid valve, which is on the other side, number 41, regulates blood from the left atria to left ventricle. The aortic semilunar valve, which is number 45.
Because I'm like, as you were explaining it, like I understand what's going on, but then I'm like, oh, it makes
Which is right in the back. I don't know if you guys can see it in the video. It's right back there. And again, that's the aortic semilunar valve. Regulates O2 blood going from left ventricle to aorta. And the number 37, which is right here, is the pulmonary semilunar valve. Regulates deoxygenated O2 blood going from right ventricle to pulmonary trunk. Number 11 is the aorta, which is right here. Receives O2 blood from the left ventricle, directs blood to systemic system. Number 9, which is right here. Pulmonary artery receives deoxygenated O2 blood from the pulmonary trunk, directs blood to the lungs. And brings us to number 8, which is right there. Pulmonary vein directs O2 directs from blood directs O2 directs blood from lungs to the left atrium. I don't know why there's two directs there. Superior vena cava or vena cava, which is number 16 and 26. So it's on the other side, 26. We're in the back of it, I think. Nope, just 16.
Right down there,
You got it?
the bottom.
Okay. Directs deoxygenated O2 blood from body to the right atrium. The papillary muscle is number 40.
And this one is the carboxyamino, which is just CO2
Right here.
and we get the HbCl2.
Papillary muscle. Muscle of ventricle attached to chordae tendae. Prevents AV valves from turning inside out during ventricular contraction. Now the chordae tendae, connective tissue that connects AV valves to papillary muscle.
It's these white strings of the tricuspid valve before the papillary muscle. It's in between 35 and 40 over there.
The trabeculae carnae, irregular ridges of the ventricular muscle, increases muscle mass. That's numbers 42 and 62.
Yeah, here he goes. 42.
There's 42 right here.
and
62 is right here.
42 and 62.
And again, that's the trabeculae carnae. Number 31.
So this is just showing the direction.
31 right here.
So this you work on direction
Number 31 is the right, left coronary arteries carry oxygenated blood to heart muscles.
I think there's also 29 was the, I guess that's the left,
Yeah.
and this is the right.
Yeah.
Yep.
And number 58 is the coronary sinus.
but they kind of break it down in different places. Like if you ever see
See 58?
this is the deoxygenated contracting muscle. Here's the deoxygenated.
You guys want to do
Because it turns out those
I believe the coronary sinus is supposed to be inside, more to the posterior part.
Remember?
58.
Oh, right here, right here.
Oh, there we go.
So number 58, this is the coronary sinus. It drains coronary blood into right atrium.
Yeah, here's a glass.
Right? Yeah.
Higher allergic.
Exactly. You need more oxygen. A low pressure.
So-
So take a look. If you have deox blood, contracting skeletal muscle, we did that here. And that's about, 35%.
Where's number
saturated,
51?
which means that 65% on
Here's 2 and 51. There you go, right there.
Perfect. The right and left auricles, pouch-like extensions of the atria, increases capacity.
2 and 51.